Hi, I'm Britton Johnson. I'm the VMware NSX vExpert roaming reporter. I am talking to
Valdecir, Val.
Val. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm doing well. So, Val, I'm a two-time vExpert. This year's my first vExpert NSX, but I hear there's something new coming. Can you give us like a quick hit? What is the vExpert program first?
Okay, first, congratulations for the vExpert
Thanks.
NSX. And so the vExpert Pro is a new sub-program that we are launching now, where we're going to have one vExpert Pro in each country, and to recruit new vExperts and to train them, we want to go local. So we will start to translate the content and create materials in the local language. And so we think that it's going to be easier to find more vExperts in that way, because you are used to the how can I say, you are used to the language, used to the culture and anything. So this is the vExpert Pro.
So is it more of a a way to recruit more vExperts?
It's a way to recruit more vExperts and to be more close to the vExperts, because like we are here in Palo Alto and we're too far away from everybody outside the US. So having a vExpert Pro near them, it's going to be way easier and it's going to be good for everyone.
So do you have to be a vExpert already to get into the Pro program?
Yes, you have to be a vExpert first, and then you're going to be selected to the vExpert Pro.
And then basically those guys, if they do like talks at a vMug and talk about vExpert or blogging stuff, is that kind of the general like way to get started on it maybe?
We are looking for very active vExperts and vExperts who have a good relationship, and the people who do vMugs and vMug leaders, because they are already inside the community, so they can bring more people and find more people, find new vExperts. They're going to be like recruiters.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Val. I'm excited to look into the program myself. We'll talk to you guys later.